Want to know what billionaires are quietly dumping pure play quantum stocks and betting big on this tech giant instead? And don't know which shares they are buying and which shares they are dumping. Continue to watch my video. Okay. Well, AI still dominates headline. A quieter and potentially more explosive tech race is unfolding: quantum computing. But here's the twist. Even after massive rallies in stocks like IonQ, Rigetti, Computing, and D-Wave Quantum, billionaire investors are largely avoiding them. Instead, the smart money is flowing into a surprising winner, Alphabet. Quantum stocks from hip to reality check. Quantum computing stocks became some of the market's most explosive trades in 2025, with gains reaching thousands of percentage in a single year. Thousands. But 2026 is telling a different story. IonQ, Rigetti, and D-Wave have pulled back sharply after their massive run-ups. Analysts warn valuations remain disconnected from real revenue. Many companies are still years away from profitability. Even more concerning, quantum computing hasn't had its ChatGPT moment yet, meaning real commercial adoption is still limited. Big shift. Billionaires choose stability over speculation. Instead of chasing hit, billionaire investors are making a calculated move. They're piling into Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, and for good reasons. Massive cash flow. Unlike pure play quantum firms, Alphabet generates billions from such dominance: 90% global market share, YouTube global reach, Google Cloud's fast growing AI business, AI plus cloud plus quantum, triple advantage. Alphabet isn't just experimenting, it's integrating AI into cloud infrastructure, quantum research into long term computing. Third is breakthrough quantum tech. Alphabet Willow's quantum chip reportedly achieved computations of 13,000 times faster than supercomputers in testing phase. That positions it as a serious long-term leader, not just a speculative bet. Why pure play quantum stocks are risky? Companies like IonQ, Rigetti Computing, D-Wave Quantum face many challenges: extremely high valuations, some over 700 times sales, which is too high. Heavy cash burn and dilution risks. Limited real world commercial demand. In short, huge potential but even bigger uncertainty. The big picture. 850 billion opportunity. Despite short-term volatility, the long-term outlook is massive. Quantum computing could generate hundreds of billions in economy value by 2040. Government and tech giants are pouring billions into development. New IPOs and spec deals are flooding the sector, and according to the industry experts, quantum may be the next AI wave for investors. The bottom line: quantum computing is real but still early. The biggest insight from Wall Street right now is follow the money, not the hype. Billionaires aren't betting on risky single focused quantum startups. They're backing diversified giants like Alphabet that can survive long term development cycles. Fund innovation internally, dominate when the technology finally scales. Final take. Quantum boom isn't over, it's just evolving. And if history repeats, right, the biggest winners won't be just the pioneers. They will be the companies with the power, patience, and profits to outlast everyone else. Okay, this article is for information purpose only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Investing in stocks carries significant risks, including the potential of principal loss. Always conduct your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decision. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you what's is happening. Okay, well, what billionaires are actually doing. Okay, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel and do comment your view on this. Will you invest in quantum stocks? And will you invest in Google? Google right now the share price is up. Okay. Yeah. Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.